Namaste and welcome, dear viewers, to Luminavibe. Today, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace through the practice of Chakra Balancing Meditation. This journey will guide you through the exploration of your 7 energy centers, cultivating harmony and balance within your being. Have you ever felt stuck, lacking energy, or disconnected from yourself? These experiences can often be linked to imbalances in our chakras, which are the energy centers within our bodies. By balancing our chakras, we can promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Before we begin, take a moment to set your intention for this meditation. Perhaps you seek greater self-discovery, wish to release negativity, or cultivate inner peace. Allow your intention to guide you throughout this journey. Now, find a comfortable position seated or lying down. Ensure your spine is comfortably supported and your body is relaxed. Gently close your eyes, or soften your gaze, and allow your awareness to turn inwards. Begin with a few deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your belly with air. Hold for a moment, then exhale completely through your mouth, releasing any tension you may hold. As you settle into your comfortable position, feel the calmness wash over you. With each breath, release any worries or anxieties, allowing yourself to fully surrender to this transformative experience. We begin our journey by grounding ourselves in the present moment, preparing to open and balance our chakras one by one. So, take another deep breath and allow yourself to be guided. As we begin this journey, a gentle soundscape will accompany us. Imagine the soothing sounds of waves lapping against the shore, the crackling warmth of a campfire, or the subtle hum of nature, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. Close your eyes and visualize yourself in a safe and peaceful natural environment. Perhaps you stand on a sandy beach, feeling the warm sun on your skin and the cool ocean breeze caressing your face. Or maybe you find yourself nestled in a tranquil forest, surrounded by the rustling leaves and the gentle chirping of birds. With each inhalation, feel your connection to the earth strengthen, anchoring you in the present moment. As you exhale, release any worries or anxieties that may be weighing you down, allowing them to dissolve into the earth. Feel the gentle support of the ground beneath you, offering a sense of stability and security. Imagine a grounding light emanating from the base of your spine, anchoring you to the earth's core. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel your body becoming heavy and relaxed, fully present in this moment. Having explored the sacral chakra, we journey upwards to the solar plexus chakra, located just above your navel. This vibrant yellow center governs personal power, confidence, self-esteem, and willpower. Its fiery yellow color represents your inner sun, radiating strength and determination. Before embarking on this exploration, repeat this affirmation silently: I am confident, empowered, and worthy of my desires. Allow this intention to guide your journey as you tap into the vibrant energy of the solar plexus chakra. The calming sounds of water gradually transition, incorporating the warm crackle of a fire, the rhythmic beat of a drum, or the vibrant energy of chanting. This shift reflects the fiery element associated with the solar plexus chakra, symbolizing your inner flame and potent self-empowerment. The calming sounds of water gradually transition, incorporating the warm crackle of a fire, the rhythmic beat of a drum, or the vibrant energy of chanting. This shift reflects the fiery element associated with the solar plexus chakra, symbolizing your inner flame and potent self-empowerment. The calming sounds of water gradually transition, incorporating the warm crackle of a fire, the rhythmic beat of a drum, or the vibrant energy of chanting. This shift reflects the fiery element associated with the solar plexus chakra, symbolizing your inner flame and potent self-empowerment. Close your eyes and visualize a vibrant yellow light emanating from your solar plexus chakra. Feel this warm, pulsating energy radiating outwards, filling you with a sense of confidence and inner strength. Imagine this light igniting your will and determination, empowering you to achieve your goals. Embrace your inner strength, recognize your inherent capabilities and potential. Visualize yourself overcoming challenges and achieving your goals with confidence and determination. Connect with your personal power, feel the power within you, allowing it to guide your decisions and actions with self-assurance. Release self-doubt and limitations, identify any limiting beliefs or self-doubt that hold you back. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then release them with each exhale. Imagine them dissolving like smoke into the air, making space for self-confidence and positive energy to flow freely. Affirmation and integration. Throughout this exploration, periodically repeat the affirmation, "I am confident, empowered, and worthy of my desires." Integrate this positive energy into your being, allowing it to fuel your self-belief and empower you to pursue your goals with unwavering confidence. Having opened your heart to love and compassion, we move upwards to the throat chakra, located at the base of your throat. This vibrant turquoise center governs communication, self-expression, and authenticity. Its color reflects clarity and truth, while its element, sound, symbolizes the power of your voice and honest expression. Before embarking on this exploration, repeat this affirmation silently, "I speak my truth with clarity and confidence." Allow this intention to guide your journey as you tap into the vibrant energy of the throat chakra. Close your eyes and visualize a vibrant turquoise light emanating from your throat chakra. Feel this pulsating energy radiating outwards, empowering your voice and filling you with the courage to express yourself honestly and authentically. Imagine this light clearing any blockages or hesitations you may have, allowing your truth to flow freely. Before embarking on this exploration, repeat this affirmation silently, "I trust my inner guidance and connect with my intuition." Allow this intention to guide your journey as you tap into the vibrant energy of the third eye chakra. The harmonious sounds of the throat chakra gradually transition, incorporating the subtle hum of the universe, ethereal chimes, or nature sounds like the gentle lapping of waves against a cave wall. This shift reflects the element of light associated with the third eye chakra, symbolizing introspective awareness and connection to the vastness beyond the physical world. Close your eyes and visualize a vibrant indigo light emanating from your third eye chakra. Feel this pulsating energy radiating outwards, opening your mind to new possibilities and expanding your awareness. Imagine this light illuminating your inner landscape, revealing hidden insights and deepening your connection to your intuition. Before embarking on this final exploration, repeat this affirmation silently: I am connected to the vastness of the universe, filled with peace and love. Allow this intention to guide your journey as you tap into the vibrant energy of the crown chakra. Close your eyes and visualize a vibrant violet light emanating from your crown chakra. Feel this pulsating energy expanding outwards, connecting you to the vastness of the universe. Imagine yourself enveloped in a warm, loving light, a sense of deep peace and oneness washing over you. Allow yourself to connect with a sense of something greater than yourself, however you define it. This could be a connection to nature, a higher power, or simply the interconnectedness of all things. Let go of any worries or anxieties, allowing yourself to experience a sense of inner tranquility and acceptance. Identify any limitations you may hold regarding your connection to the universe or your own spiritual potential. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then choose to release them with each exhale. Imagine them dissolving like stars fading into the vastness of space, making space for connection and expansion. Throughout this exploration, periodically repeat the affirmation: I am connected to the vastness of the universe, filled with peace and love. Integrate this positive energy into your being, allowing it to nurture a sense of peace, connection, and oneness with all that is.